Hello students, I am sure you are hale and hearty, staying home, staying safe. So let's resume our class. In the last class we read about how Tricky was taken to the surgery, and today we will read about how Tricky was treated at the surgery. Before starting our text, let's read the questions given before text. Read and find out. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Let's start reading text. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and, when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So this is a scene describes when the author James Herriot reaches at the surgery. So what is the scene? The household dogs surged round him. Surge means in a sudden movement in a particular direction when people and things do come. So in a sudden movement they all came and round him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Who is noisy pack here? The household dogs are called noisy pack because they are very noisy. They were filled with energy, enthusiasm. That's why. And Tricky just looked down at them with dull eyes. Why with dull eyes? Because he was listless, he was ill, he was taken to the surgery for his treatment. When James put him down, Tricky laid motionless on the carpet, and the other dogs, after sniffing round him, every strange thing and every strange person or object, dogs sniff to know. So that's why they sniff. They were sniffing round him for a few seconds. But when they found it was listless, that's why they found him as an uninteresting object and ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So the very first 2 days, Tricky was not given any food. He was just given plenty of water. And he was under the observation of surgeon. That's why surgeon just kept eye on him, on his reaction to the surroundings and on his condition too. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. And he noted that second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. And who were there in the surroundings? Household dogs were there in the surroundings. On the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. When he heard the dogs were playing in the yard. When he heard them, that time he also started whimpering. Whimper means a soft cry of fear or pain. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Trotted means walked with very weak steps. Engulfed means covered or surrounded. So when he walked out with his weak steps because he was not well, so that time he was immediately engulfed by Joe. Who is Joe? Joe is the name of a dog who is the greyhound. Greyhound is a breed and his friends. It means other dogs. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. So I hope you understood. All the dogs, after inspecting him, they moved off down the garden, and Tricky also followed them. And he was moving very slowly because he was unable to move quickly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So here, James says that when he was present at feeding time, what did he see? He watched that while Tristan is the name of a servant. So while Tristan slopped the food, when he poured the food into the bowls up to the brim, so there was a usual headlong rush. Usual headlong rush means that rush of whom? Those household dogs. Very quick. Headlong means very quick. Quick rush was there. And that quick rush followed by sounds of high speed eating. They all were eating with high speed. Why were they eating with high speed? No doubt they all were hungry. At the same time, they did not want that they would have any competitor to finish their last part of their meal. That's why they were eating quickly. I'm sure you understood. Now,